the Honda CBR1000RR-R. A Ducati alternative without the headaches. Ducati superbikes are legendary for their performance, but they're also notorious for reliability issues and high maintenance costs. For riders who want similar thrills without the drama, the Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SB emerges as a compelling alternative. This bike delivers near Ducati levels of performance and premium components at a lower price point, all while sidestepping the notorious maintenance headaches. Why the Panigale V4 isn't for everyone. The Panigale V4 is a phenomenal machine, but its ownership experience can be fraught with problems. Owners often face expensive Desmo service intervals, intense engine heat, and a high sticker price exceeding $34,000. The constant need for maintenance and the financial strain can overshadow the sheer riding pleasure. The Fireblade SB offers a solution. It provides similar performance without the same level of financial and mechanical burden. The Fireblade SB. Premium components, reliable performance. The Honda CBR1000RR-R SB boasts top-tier components from Earthlands and Brembo, delivering a ride quality comparable to Ducati's flagship models. It features Earthland's EC30 electronic suspension, offering fully adjustable damping on the fly through the smart EC30 system. The bike also incorporates Brembo Stylema R brakes, ensuring exceptional stopping power. Unlike the Panigale V4, the Fireblade SB avoids the complex Desmo valve service, extreme engine heat, and vibration issues that plague some Ducati models. The price is also lower. At $28,999, it saves buyers $5,596 compared to the Panigale V4S. Alternatives fall short. Other leader-class bikes attempt to match the Panigale, but they often come with their own drawbacks. Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. While powerful, the RSV4 lacks the reliability and build quality of the Fireblade. Owners of newer models have reported significant issues. BMW S1000RR. The BMW offers competitive performance and pricing, but its components differ from the Earthlands/Brembo setup found on the Fireblade. It also doesn't provide the same drama-free experience. Tech and performance. A modern superbike, the CBR1000RR-R SB is equipped with a 6-axis Bosch EMU, enabling an array of rider aids, including 9 levels of traction control, 5 power modes, and 3 levels of wheelie and cornering ABS. A 5-inch TFT instrument cluster provides access to these settings, while keyless ignition adds convenience. The inline-4 engine produces 214 horsepower from 1,000 cc, surpassing the Panigale V4's 216 HP from 103 cc. Honda has refined the engine with a higher compression ratio, 13:6:1, and lighter internals, improving mid-range performance. The bottom line, the Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SB offers a compelling blend of performance, reliability, and value. For riders seeking a Ducati-like experience without the headaches, this bike is an excellent choice. It delivers premium components and thrilling performance at a lower price point, making it a smart alternative in the high-performance motorcycle market.